Hey guys, I'm here to answer some of your general questions that I got in the comments. They're actually pretty good. It's something that a lot of people ask, not just here, but I've heard it. I go and teach at local high schools and stuff, and people ask me about that as these same things. But before we get to that, like and subscribe to the video. Join the Mo's Muscles tier in the Patreon. I'm going to be in there answering questions about trading all day. I have a couple of messages right here that I need to follow up on. I'm going to make a few videos before the market closes today. And you can also ask me your individual stock picks if you need a little bit of confirmation on something. But hopefully I can teach you these things. We can bounce ideas off of each other and go from there. Let's start with, this is a good question that I got from a Patreon. What percentage of my portfolio do I trade? It's a hard question to answer. It really comes down to personal preference, personal comfort. But to me, I'm always going to say no more than 10% of your portfolio, no matter how much money you have. And I'll just go into the following question. How much money do I need to start with? To be honest, there's really no dollar amount that is too low. Now, of course, to make a big difference in your dollar returns, not your percentage returns, you do need maybe $10,000, $20,000. With how we are today, with how we have fractional shares being able to be traded, you can go in there and buy 1/10 of Amazon that is $3,500 a share or something. You can buy really any company that you want to. So how much money do I need to start? It's subjective. And what percentage do I need? I say no more than 10%, but it really comes down to personal preference and personal comfort and what your goals are. If you are a day trader, then hey, back in the day, I was trading with 100% of my portfolio, but that's what I did. And I was day trading every single day of the market being open. So I know this isn't the answer that everybody wants to hear. It's kind of cliche, but it comes down to personal comfort, how much you're willing to put up, how much you're willing to lose, and how much dollar return you want to see back. Next question was how much in terms of trading long-term, short-term, or day trading, what do I do more of? I'm definitely more of a long-term trader. If I get into something, I would ideally like to be in that thing for more than 6 weeks. It's a little bit more difficult nowadays. I know a lot of the questions that are going on in the Patreon right now have a lot to do with day trading, which is intraday. So you'll get in at 9:30 and you'll be out of it by 11 a.m. or something. There's also swing trading, 1 to 5 days. We can trade a stock within a week. So what I do personally is I'm more of a long-term trader. I know how to day trade. I've been helping a lot of people with that. We're getting some great returns so far this morning on a couple different stocks. Swing trading, really not for me. I'm happy to teach it. I know that there are some patrons that are going through it right now that we're helping make some money, and they're all doing well so far. Of course, things change, but as long as we're smart with things, we keep our stops in place, everything's going to typically work out. Don't forget that we're not trying to win on every single trade. We're trying to reduce our losses on the trades that we lose on and capitalize on the trades to the upside. So that's it for this one. If you want to get some questions answered, join the Patreon, middle level Mo's Muscles, and ask me all your questions that you have, and I'm happy to answer them. Have a great day.